This is Toyota Kirloskar India Fortuner, which is an absolutely unique car in that each of its 4 doors collects 5 to 10 liters, sometimes 15 liters of water. Every time it rains, there seems to be a major flaw in the breathing of this car and the Innova Krista for that matter. And both these models have extensively been collecting water in their doors. Now, whether this is some very clever ploy by the Japanese to help India collect and harvest rainwater, or if it's a design flaw, we don't know. But it could just be a very, very clever design where they get 50-60 liters of water in one car. Now imagine if they sold 2 million Fortuners and Innovas. We're talking about 1 billion liters of water that can be collected in these cars, and that can be spread across the highways for tree plantation. So maybe this is Japan's plan for India's tree plantation and water shortage needs of the future. Toyota, what is it? Design flaw or brilliant water saving harvesting plan? Tell us.